Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive into the features and functionalities of two popular video recording tools, the PICTRON U200 smartphone video rig and the hohem iSteady X3 SE Gimbal Stabilizer. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing moments, choosing the right equipment can make all the difference. Let's explore what each of these products has to offer. The PICTRON U200 boasts a built-in 20W ring light with adjustable brightness and color temperature, making it ideal for various lighting conditions. It also features a stabilizer and a power bank for extended use. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady X3 SE focuses on stabilization with its 3-axis technology, offering a detachable remote for easy control. While the PICTRON is more versatile, the hohem excels in portability and stabilization. The PICTRON U200 is praised for its versatility, combining a ring light, stabilizer, and power bank in one device. However, its bulkiness can be a drawback for travel. Conversely, the hohem iSteady X3 SE is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. Yet, it lacks a built-in light and may not support larger phones or attachments. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses depending on your filming needs. Currently, there are no user reviews available for either the PICTRON U200 or the hohem iSteady X3 SE. This makes it difficult to provide a comprehensive feedback summary. However, as soon as reviews are available, we will update this section to reflect user experiences and insights. In conclusion, both the PICTRON U200 and the hohem iSteady X3 SE offer unique features tailored to different filming needs. The PICTRON is great for those who need versatile lighting and stabilization, while the hohem is perfect for travelers seeking a lightweight gimbal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.